Hey, it's Sam from TopmaQ, your go-to source for gear for industry. Welcome to our detailed look at our ATV quad bikes available here at topmac.co.nz. If you're looking for a quality machine without breaking the bank, our quad bikes could be perfect for you. They're a great addition to any lifestyle block or large property. With a reliable 4-stroke 250cc single-cylinder engine, these quads will stand the test of time. The Clutchless 4-speed gearbox makes this quad easy to learn and ride. Furthermore, we have not one, but 2 ATV options. The latter includes a tipping tray, perfect for throwing in any essentials while you're out and about. Both ATVs have hitching attachments, great for attaching an additional trailer, mower, harrow, spreader, and more. Check out our wide range of ATV implements available at topmac.co.nz. Alrighty, I think we've seen enough of these guys here in the studio. Let's get out there and give them a test. Alrighty guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video on our ATV quad bikes. Make sure you get on down and check out our full range of ATVs and implements here, available in store or online at topmac.co.nz. For more reviews, tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Sam from TopmaQ, and we'll see you next time.